Classical Indian philosophy, school Vaisesika. Vaisesika is an orthodox school of Indian philosophy. When we say orthodox, we mean that the school Vaisesika believes in the authority of the Vedas. The word Vaisesika is derived from the word Vishesha, which means particularity or distinguishing feature or distinction. So, Vaisesika is a philosophy of pluralistic realism which emphasizes on the concept of plurality of beings, which is plurality of souls in the universe. In other words, particularity or Vishesha is regarded to be the essence of things. That is, the essence of everything is its particularity or being distinguishing feature of one thing from another. The name of the founder of the school is Kanada. Some of the other names he is known by are Kannabhak, Ulluka, Kashyapa, etc. It is hence also known as an Alokya school. The major branch of philosophy propounded by the school is metaphysics. The concept of Padartha is one of the most important concepts in the metaphysics of Vishesha. Now, Padartha means a category. According to the school, the universe has 7 Padarthas. Now, before we commence into the Padarthas, it is important to note that Vaisesika school in totality speaks of 7 Padarthas, but only the first 6 Padarthas were mentioned by the founder Kanada himself. The 7th Padartha is added to the list of Padarthas by the later Vaiseshikas. Padartha means the meaning of the word or object signified by the word. In other words, it means all objects can be thought and can be named. The 7 Padarthas which are accepted by the school Vaisesika can be divided under 2 heads. Number 1, being or bhava. Number 2, non-being or abhava. The first 6 Padarthas fall under the category of bhava or being or real. They are substance, quality, action, generality, particularity, inherence. The last or the 7th Padartha belongs to the latter part of it, that is, abhava or non-being category. Non-existence or abhava is the 7th Padartha. In short, according to Vaisesika, all that is real comes under the object of knowledge and it is called a Padartha or a category. The concept of substance or Dravya. Substance signifies the self-subsistence, the absolute and the independent nature of things. As a result, it is defined as the substratum where actions and qualities, that is, gunas and karma, inhere. It is the coexistent material cause of the composite things produced from it. In other words, without substance, we cannot have qualities and actions, for the two, that is, qualities and actions, are contained within the substance. So, substance is the basis or the premise of qualities and actions, actual or potential, present or future. In short, substance cannot be defined apart from qualities and actions. According to Vaisesika, there are 2 kinds of substances. Number 1, ultimate substance. Number 2, compound substance. Ultimate substance are eternal in nature, they are independent in nature. They are also individual and infinite. They are the material causes of compound substances and are not subjected to production and destruction. On the other hand, compound substances are made up of parts that arise out of simple ultimate substances. They are, as a result, transient, which is impermanent in nature, due to which they are subjected to production and destruction. There are a total of 9 Dravyas. They are all objective realities. They are earth, water, fire, air, ether, time, space, spirit, mind. Some important points which are to be kept in mind regarding the nature of the 9 Dravyas are: earth, water, fire, air, and mind are atomic and eternal in nature. Earth, water, fire, and air produce composite Dravya. Earth, water, fire, air, and ether are the Panch Bhutas, or the five elements. Earth, water, fire, air, ether, and mind are physical in nature. On the other hand, soul is spiritual in nature. Time and space are regarded as objective realities. Ether, space, time, and soul are all pervading and eternal in nature. Earth, water, fire, air, mind, and soul are infinite in number. On the other hand, ether, space, and time are one each. They are not infinite in number. The explanation for question 1 is earth, water, fire, air, ether, and mind are physical in nature. Soul, on the other hand, is spiritual in nature. The explanation for question 2 is earth, water, fire, air, and mind or manas are atomic and eternal in nature. The explanation for question 3 is the first 6 padarthas fall under the head of bhava or being or real. They are Dravya, Guna, Karma, Samanya, Vishesha, and Samavaya. The explanation for question 4 is some of the other names of Kanada, the founder of Vaisesika school are Kannabhog, Uluka, Kashyapa, etc. The school of Vaisesika is hence known as Alokya school.